Hi, this is Michael and Josh, and now, I'm sure you've seen the video how animals eat their food, the number one video on Facebook and YouTube, and
As we think.
yeah, and now we are gonna do a parody of it. So, we're gonna start off with cow. Want to see how animals eat their food? Watch closely. That was cow. Alligator. Okay. But we clean that up.
Let me
Josh,
help him
talk
with that.
about stuff that they would actually care about.
Just hold shortly for like 20 more seconds.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Look how much the guy in front of me. Sorry, I kinda made a mess.
That's the good part.
Uh-huh. Okay. So that was alligator. Now it is time for T-Rex. Gotta roll up my sleeves for this. That was T-Rex. Yeah. Do a mean T-Rex. Sexy one too. Okay, now it is time for whale, which is gonna make a big mess. Oh, they got my food.
Please hold shortly.
Make sure there's none of my fat rolls. Okay.
We're back.
We are back. That was the whale. Now it's time for a kangaroo. Our favorite, which we set pillows out for. You really like that sound. I'm okay.
Kangaroo.
Don't worry, no fat guys were injured during this film. Give us like 20 seconds. Oh my gosh. Hopefully none of this is like moldy. Okay. Can I get like myself some like more salad after this?
Why, are you gonna eat it?
Probably.
I should seriously make me a salad. I want something good food.
Shredded cheese. So that was kangaroo. Now it's time for flamingo. Tweet tweet. Oh my god. Sorry. Well, that was flamingo, so I'm not wearing pink. Well, okay. Okay. So that was flamingo. Now it is time for the grand finale. The rhinoceros. Bye.
Tune in next week.
Oh, I got all over my crotch.